guys, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video, we are going to share to you or tour you around this wonderful hotel and our room for 2 nights as well. Welcome to the Venetian Macao, a 5-star hotel. Enjoy watching! Okay, we are going to try to check in. Yay! Welcome to Venetian Macao. Ma.
Whoa!
Oh, duty free.
Make sure we give them this ticket.
Duty free.
We're gonna go to TeamLab.
Okay, to the reception.
Reception pa lang, parang
They should have
pumunta
felt my pocket. I just put my hand up.
So check-in time is here at the reception. So welcome to our room here. This is the Venetian. First, let's get into our beautiful bathroom. Gold ang ilang kuan with shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, and sila dito bathtub. And then here, what is this? Hand wash and lotion. So, towels. Pwede ka magtimbang. Water. And a mirror. Another mirror. Para ni mag-makeup ko no kayo. And then, dara lang light. Bitsada kaayo. And then, muna siya na apoy phone. And then, so ato na po sa sulod. Ay! Muni amo ang bed dire. Oh, dako kayo. Very spacious. Spacious kaayo ang amo ang room. Then, ang closet. Let's check. Oh, oy, na room. Oh, slippers. Yeah. And then, extra pillow. Then, mangutaw ka. Dako kay lang TV diri. Uy. Oo. Then, ang isa to, gihigda na siya. Yeah. And then, naami kuan, sala-sala diri. Then, to, naghigda na siya. Hi! With a beautiful view. Then, mauni siya amo ang kuan diri. Oh. Nice kaayo. Worth it kaayo. Really. Then, muna among view dire. Makita na mo ang Londonair. Yeah. Oh, nag-slipper na ni. Hala, di ana lagi oh. Home.
Toothbrush,
Oh, daapod ni.
shaving kit.
Oh, sorry. Ay, it's for rent. So the jacuzzi is there and the heated pool also. And this is cold here. This is not heated here. That's why nobody's here.
It says there's 4 pools.
This spa.
Ah, get towel. Get the towel.
50 towels. There we go.
Hello. We're heading to the heated pool. There's another pool, love. What is that? Is this for kids? Oh, what is that? To wash your feet? Ah, okay. So, tugnaw, my good, oy. Ah,
brought our clothes.
It's tugnaw, oy. Pero sige na lang.
We didn't know that, Mayor. We're supposed to wear our clothes down here and then put our swimming on.
It's okay. Ala, tugnaw kaayo ay ambot lang. It's very cold. Hangin kaayo, oh, hangin. You cannot swim there. It's just the kusi. Yeah. And then the warm pool. Where you wanna go? Okay. So, nag-enjoy nami dere. Nangaligo nami.
Anak ba? Ay, dili, dapit.
You want to go to McDonald's?
There.
Look at their Disney store.
Whoa! Leo, nag-sale. Hala, $8 na lang.
Straight ahead.
Where?
I see.
Going to find where to eat.
I smell food already.
Smells good now. I'm so hungry. Yeah, Zara is here. To the Venetian food court. This way. Oh, here. Look at the pancit, ma. Mama, what do you want to eat?
Pick out what you want to eat.
Pili ma kung saan ganahan mo, ha.
Graham Hall.
Brand. Wow. Eh, wow. Ah.
Wala na akong i-expect sa Symphony of Lights.
I know, but it's not. Yes.
Oh, look.
Push the start. Do it. Push the start.
It's going to take you a picture.
Where's the camera picture?
Look.
Yay! There you go.
Download this photo.
Okay.
Okay, you. Sila na po. Sige. That's our picture. Na kami diri o nalingaw po mi diri dapita. High-end man ang puro manuan. Here. Finally, we are here. Lords. Stow. Mahal sila. Mahal sila dere.
Look at that.
Yeah, you like that one, right?
Three of them's mine now, you know.
Yeah, 3 yung order. Pumpkin soup. Oh, second batch. Super ano. Sige, kuha na mo. Get it, baby.
Oh, thank you.
Yay!
Can I change my order? Just all of this. Just change my order. Just all of this.
Look, magbalon ko.
Mama wants to make balloon. Sige, maunsa mo. Lami, ma. Lami, ate. Super. Try it, sarap. How about Chuchucho, Mike?
Good.
Bye, guys! So, see you on our next adventure here around Macau. So, if you haven't subscribed yet our channel, please do. Wandering World.